Hey, it's Clay Trading. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Now, the reason I have the chart kind of all the way over here and there's all this white space is because of the formatting and how the price used to be much higher. It just gets hard to see. So that's why I just have moved the chart over here, just so we can see from, like I said, a presentation standpoint, makes things easier to see in terms of levels of support and resistance, which is what I want to focus on, with this video. So I had some questions coming on it today, rightfully so. You can see volume down there. By no means was it anything as gigantic as over here. But yeah, volume is kind of peeking its head up a little bit. So I had some questions on it. So let's just map out some levels of support and then resistance. Keep an eye on going, into the remainder of the week. First key area of support, without question, is right here at the 23-cent mark. You can see over the past couple of weeks, on multiple occasions, the bears have tried to press down through that level. But to give credit where credit's due, in all those different situations, the bulls stepped up and said, no, that's not going to happen. We're going to hold strong. So short-term level of support, definitely right there at 23 cents. And that's certainly the level that you want to see hold strong going forward. Because, if you stop and think about it, let's just say the price goes down there a few more times, bounces around there before heading back up. From a bigger picture perspective, well, you'd have a base of lows right here. And then the previous base of lows would be down there. So if you picture each one of those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. So ideally, definitely 23 cents you want to see maintain as support. In the event the price cannot hold above 23 cents, next level to keep an eye on would be down there at the 20-cent mark as far as supports are concerned. Now, what about levels of resistance? The initial area of resistance on any sort of upwards price movement going to be right here at about 28 cents, which is where it went today and where it ultimately got knocked down, which does make sense when you look back through the history of the chart. You can see quite a few times price has struggled. A couple times it actually slightly got up above it, but just couldn't quite maintain up above it. And today actually, hit directly and then got rejected back down. So 28 cents is certainly going to be that first initial level of resistance. If the price can push through there, then things do begin to space out a little bit as the next level of resistance up around the 35-cent mark. So all in all, still work to be done, but the bulls are doing work in terms of working on building that higher base. Volume started to increase today, so we'll see if that can lead into any sort of continuation tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.